So please, let's just start.
Madam, I'm not going to do this time.
What do you?
I'm not going to do me no verse.
Don't lock the door.
Lock this door.
Okay, hold you. Are you okay? What do you mean you can? So you're not coming? Why didn't you tell me on time now? I beg. Can you guys imagine? What's that? The masseuse just cancelled on us.
Are you serious?
Said it's not coming, no. And my body, I need massage.
Yeah,
oh. Okay, you know what? I think my houseboy will have, he will have connections. Let me call him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he might know one or two people around. Okapi!
Hey, madam!
Come here. What are you doing?
The pint they give me, the last one I they wash. Yes, madam.
Okay. Hope they are on it.
And I just had the wash where.
It's okay. Please, I had a masseuse date with my girls, but the man cancelled on us. I don't know. Do you know any masseuse around? Because I need.
Madam, I don't know. I don't get. I don't be new. I don't carry on.
God have mercy upon us.
Masseuse, Okopi masseuse, massager. Somebody that massages.
Okay. That's where they press body. Where they break bone.
Do you know anybody? I'm not laughing with you.
They break.
But as I do now.
Sabi do it.
For Benue, where are they? Edumoga. I get one small shop where we say they bring people come, where bones scatter, they join them, and they press them together. So, madam, anything I they do.
Are you sure?
Madam, that English they say a trial will confuse you.
Confused, please.
Okay, a trial will confuse you.
Not be boy, you go break.
They do nah, no worry, I already.
No cause spoil my own body.
It's okay. Let's just get ready. So you can do it, right?
Madam, no wahala.
Let's just try. This boy, he can do anything.
Anything, a copy one.
Let's get ready.
Are you sure you can do it?
He can do it. Let's get ready.
Madam, I can go carry cream.
It's okay.
Hope you are sure. My bone.
Let me get another work.
Please, mama.
Madam, I do quick come Thank God. Madam, I don't ready. When I come press on.
All right. You're ready.
And I want a cloth.
What do you mean?
When I want a cloth, come at this in our face. I go do one or two things. I come, we come do the massage.
Now today just the start this business work. You talk say you sabi am now.
Ask you.
From any where I come, if I want to do massage, break bone, September, they wear clothes. When I type away, I'm not gonna do this type of
You're just too dull. It's massage. We don't wear clothes. In Lagos here, we don't wear clothes. We come naked. It's massage. It's massage.
Madam, you go naked?
Yes. So please, let's just start.
Madam, I'm not gonna do this type.
What do you?
I'm not gonna do me no verse. I'm not gonna do this type job. The one I do they wear clothes. This one I don't wear clothes. I'm not gonna do. I don't know verse.
Don't lock the door.
Lock this door.
Okay, hold you. Okay. Are you okay? What do you mean you will not do it?
Wait now.
You're the one that say you can do it. I can see that there. Let's start, John.
Madam, no, this massage. Bad market.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.